locking carabiners. Either one of them are fine for residential or high-rise fall protection work. But what the difference is on a double locking, it basically requires two movements in order to push the piece of metal in. So we would twist over and then in. So that would be a double locking, and then that can't be opened up without making those motions. On a triple locking carabiner, it requires three motions. So on this one we have to push up and then twist and then in order for that to open up. But again, when we unlock or when we let go, it is locked up, and unless those motions are repeated, it will not unlock. This is as opposed to some of the other carabiners in the field. Maybe it's a screw lock. So this opens up and then this screws together, and then it forms a locking mechanism there. The issue with these is that in high-rise and residential fall protection, oftentimes the ropes are moving back and forth, and we couldn't move that enough to where we could open that up just by going back and forth with the rope. So these are really not advised for that purpose. They may be utilized for other purposes, but for fall protection we want a double or triple locking carabiner.